What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of C Reed TV. Today, I gotta go get a battery tested. So I gotta get down here and take it off this junky four-wheeler and have it tested. It's pretty nasty out. It's been raining all damn day and all yesterday. But here's what we're doing. We're trying to get this battery off real quick. I thought the battery on it was bad, but I got down here looking. It looks like the cable was broken, so I got to get a new cable, and I'll show you all what I'm talking about. This right here, it's supposed to go in here somewhere behind that, and it's not. It's broken. So that'll do it. The guy that had this thing before me put these lights and stuff on it. Wherever it's at, where'd it go? It's in there. And it is just a mess in here. Like, I don't know what half this crap is. That's a battery cable. Battery cable, no idea. No idea. I need to get rid of all of it. We're gonna run this battery to the Honda shop. I'll see y'all when we get there. Right now I'm on my way to pick up my buddy. He's gonna ride with me to the Honda shop. His name's Dalton. I'll show you guys him in a minute. He's funny. But I'll see y'all when we get there. There he is. Come on! Come on! You don't want it?
It fucking hurts my ass.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Let's go.
Alright, we're here at the Honda shop. I'm gonna run this battery in here. I'm gonna try to record for y'all, but I don't know how that'll go. Show y'all something that hurt my bank account for my wallet. I am broke. What do you guys say about it?
I'm not saying that.
What do you guys say about it?
Get a damn job.
Why, Dalton?
No, fuck fucking recording me.
You don't like being recorded?
Fuck no.
Got a little bit of change of plans. Dalton and everybody's come to the house. We're gonna put Dalton's new cold air intake on. And I'm gonna put my battery on my four-wheeler, and that should fix it. Dalton.
I got a woman backing up. Can't fucking drive.
Beep.
You're crooked. You're on the line. Back up. Don't have fucking wheels on it yet. All right, let's go. Had wheels on that motherfucker.
Back at the house. I'm gonna get some sandpaper. I'm gonna clean these battery cables off with. There we go. Oh my God. If I can get it out of here. There we go. Everything should work once I get the battery on there. Then we're gonna put Dalton's cold air intake on. Get back to y'all in a minute. We got the battery on her, but pretty sure it needs a spark plug too, so that's gonna have to wait till tomorrow or a few more days.
Does the cool tape not go on you? Alright, there goes that shit.
No, it's right here. I know how to do
Hey,
everything,
your stuff's
but
right
the
here.
fucking taking off the actual blower.
Alright, get away.
I don't blow, so I can't take off.
I blow suck, dude off.
Blows up.
Hey, why you like my damn face? Can't see shit. Alright.
Unplug one of the prongs in the battery.
You got one of those lights like it. We can.
We're not welding on it. You don't. So? You messing with cables?
What the fuck are you talking about? We don't have fucking. What are you talking
Keep
about?
thinking. Keep thinking. Come on, it'll hit you. It'll hit you one time.
Alright, I'm gonna get man. Oh.
Orange.
Stuff's
There's
gonna
prongs
break.
on there.
Stuff is gonna be broken.
Hold your
You'll be
shit.
able to drive this.
Put it down, dumbass.
Why'd you hand it to me? If I want to put this fuck down?
Good, I was doing some thinking.
I went to a Superior.
It'd take you
my
a while to
fucking
think.
cold air intake from O'Reilly's.
You seen that video? The guy's like, I'm going snowboarding.
Put it back here. Yeah, come on, dumbass. You intelligent fucker. Let's go. 100 days forever. Come on, let's go.
On mine, there's a clip.
Smells like shit, boys.
Well, fucking close your damn mouth.
Close
Damn, it does smell like
close your
shit.
mouth. I didn't even eat nothing, Bloney. That's probably at Lee's. Heard. Yeah,
Oh, you dropped my phone, I'll whoop that ass.
we went to Lee's and I ordered like chicken strips and then they looked
Okay.
great.
I don't even know why I do anything for you.
Because you're on your dad.
Join the damn.
Why's your motor backwards?
This ain't no Forte.
Why the fuck is it like this? Is this the way we're sitting or does it look like it's sitting like this?
Stop your
It's where it's
fucking
the
bitching.
back tires on a hill.
Okay.
It's kind of like this. So it's got it.
Alright, fucking guru.
Guru.
Who's this XY?
Why is this fucking?
Because it's a vortex or 6.
Hey, what's this if you're such a fucking
Alternator.
mechanic?
What's this?
What?
It's part of the intake.
What's this?
What's this?
That's where you fuck off at.
Oh, son of a bitch, that's a caution fan.
Dumbass. I don't know shit about fucking.
You gotta take all this off too.
I don't know.
One piece at a time.
You
God,
usually start here.
I seen this fucking.
I know where to put the gas in.
Get off her.
Get
Get off her.
Maybe that's the oil. That's my transmission fluid.
Get off her.
This
Piece of
is
shit.
You're gonna break shit.
Well, my last name's Lawrence. That's half.
Maybe we should take pictures of it before so we know how to put it back on.
Look, put that over.
Ain't bad.
I know how to put it on.
Damn, finger hurts.
I just, that,
Cade, you
The
have to
fucking
fuck off.
Welder,
the
the sheet metal person, the car guru, huh?
when I got my truck, dude, I done fucking my history.
I done fucking.
I done my
rolled.
homework.
Did you go to Carfax and read it? You fucking.
I don't hate that motherfucker. Should just slide right or come
There's
right
supposed
off.
to be clips on it. I think that back one is a clip. Put that flathead on that clip on the back. Yeah, right over there. And pry it out and then pull it up. No. Right
Calm
here.
down.
Just because you take.
I can't see. Huh?
Just because you take
Hold
the
the
clamp
fucking
off don't
line,
mean that
Kate.
fucking hose is gonna come off.
I just get all this shit off. Y'all start pissing me off. Well, y'all start.
What do you want to do?
Shut up, 4'2"
Take
fucking
a
midget.
piss in your fucking gas tank.
Will you? I hope you do.
Give me this one. I'm talking about this clamp right here.
I'm trying. Y'all, you're trying to piss me off, Kate or Luke. Let's go.
They obviously don't know what they're doing.
Hold your phone, so don't drop it. I really don't want to break your phone.
Kate, you act like you're the fucking mechanic.
Hey, put your line over here.
Well, guy got 10 fucking. Yeah, nice shit in there, Kate. I heard that.
Put that on YouTube.
Should have got one of your real bright lights on
Yeah, get out of my way.
Oh, just gotta hit the clamp.
Get out of the way. This is why I'm. This is why I'm.
It's the Lawrence way.
All right, y'all fuckers. My damn space.
We need a color read.
He's got the little cherry.
Oh, it's not lights. Damn bad. Should we just take that fucking thing off?
Can you do this for a minute? You're going to have to get this off too.
That's.
Take it off. Come on. 4 screws.
You got a drill?
What do you need a fucking drill for?
What hose are you drilling?
Yeah, drop the phone. Karma's a bitch. Smash my windshield and let the insurance pay for it. Say it's behind a dump truck.
It's smart though.
Strebel's
Damn
seals
right.
were leaking in the back or something like that. I felt the top of his roof
Fucking.
on both sides was soaking wet.
Fucking.
He told me he'd sell me his truck for $7,000. I was like,
What kind is it?
like a 08 Silverado.
Probably fucking moldy.
Fucking big.
This is Cade Reed. What's my name, Dalton?
Cade Reed. Actually, sorry, bitch. Cade Reed thinks he's a mechanic, knows it all.
Part 1.
Says the one who couldn't get the damn.
I do, but Luke was
plug
fucking.
off.
Let me get it.
Yeah, that's
blame
what they
your
all
fuck
say.
up on me.
That's what they all say.
I'm gonna knock the shit out of your dumbass.
Which one? Who?
C Reed TV, baby.
All right.
That's your name?
Air filter's pretty clean there, buddy.
That don't matter.
Why not?
Good, I said so.
Did it come with an air filter though?
I don't know where the stuff's at. YouTube, episode 20.
Back again.
Made a little progress.
Thank God I'm fucking here.
We're getting somewhere.
Yeah.
Barely.
Cause it's fucking cold and I need
If it wasn't
shit,
for me, he
and I
wouldn't
need
be
beer.
getting this done tonight.
Oh my God.
'Cause
you
he
just
can't read.
read.
2 hours later, we got it done, finally. And now he can't get out of the truck. Probably gonna be it for this one, guys. We'll see you in the next one.